Juicing for healthy skin. Have you ever tried it? What you put into your body is much more impactful on your skin than actually what you put on the surface of your skin. Mind blown. So changing your diet or even just adding little healthy habits into your diet can really change the way your skin looks and feels. Now, before I started juicing a few years ago, it wasn't an easy road, and that road was quite bumpy until I got to eating much healthier. So to make it easier on myself, I actually started replacing one of my meals with a green juice, which is usually breakfast, and I was completely shocked at the results. I felt better, I had more energy, and I lost a lot of weight. But the most surprising thing is that my skin was clearing up and glowing. And ever since then, I haven't looked back. Not once. So if you get nothing else out of this video, please just stop and listen, and please know this. What you put inside your body is just as important as what you put on your face, if not more. And as a certified skincare consultant, I would advise everyone who cares about their skin to do the same. Now, you might be thinking, wait, I've never juiced before, and it honestly sounds kind of gross. I don't think I could hack this. Well, let me be the first to tell you, interestingly enough, I felt the same exact way before I decided to take the plunge with juicing. But now that I know how much my skin has benefited from this addition into my diet, I really only wish I had done it sooner. But the best part is I'm going to make it even easier for you by providing you with the best juicing recipe, in my opinion, for healthy, glowing skin. The best part? It tastes amazing. Not like a front lawn or anything you wouldn't enjoy. It's actually very sweet. It only has 3 ingredients, so it's super easy to make. So what are the 3 ingredients? Spinach, green apples, and oranges. Now, you might find a lot of juicing recipes with kale in them, but if you're just getting started with juicing, I wouldn't recommend it. Kale is kind of hard to swallow, no pun intended, if you've never juiced before, and it tends to taste like your own front lawn. So why spinach? Well, first of all, spinach is a healthy and nutrient-rich food you should certainly include in your everyday diet. So spinach might not be your first vegetable of choice, but it's a great source of iron, folate, chlorophyll, vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin A, fiber, plant protein, and vitamin C. And due to their antioxidant abilities, vitamin C, E, and A are especially great for your skin. And spinach contains antioxidants that fight against all types of skin problems. Add it to your everyday diet and see what happens. By eating spinach, you're just cleaning your skin from the inside out. So why green apples? Well, for a lot of reasons. They fight wrinkles, they fight aging, they help improve your skin texture, they provide extra moisture, they help whiten and brighten your skin, and they're packed with vitamin C, which helps prevent your acne, and also protects against the sun, but don't forget your SPF. And why oranges? Well, the natural oils in oranges help moisturize your skin, and the antioxidants found in them help fight your free radicals. Oranges also have a high content of citric acid, which helps with skin exfoliation. They also help dry out your acne, and they've got loads of vitamin C. So you see, these 3 ingredients are top-notch to helping you have clear, glowing skin. So let's hop to the recipe. By the way, stay tuned to the end of the video for my best recommendations on a great juicer to buy. So you'll need 1 green apple, 1 navel orange peeled if you want, and about 3 big handfuls of leafy greens. I highly recommend spinach, but if you want to be a little more risky, you can try variations such as kale, chard, or romaine. And the first step is washing all of this produce pretty well. The next step is just peeling the orange if you'd like. And then you're just going to add all of your produce through the juicer. Serve and enjoy. See, I told you it was easy. Yep, that's it, and it's so yummy. Do this every day for breakfast, and you will see a big difference in your skin, if you stick with it. Now, if you are like me and you're just starting to juice for healthy glowing skin, you probably don't have a juicer. So here are the top 3 juicers I recommend. For those of you on a tight budget, I honestly think this first one is the best juicer you can get for your money. It's called the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. I believe the model number is 67601A, and it's only $55. So what's great about this juicer? Well, it's really easy to assemble, and it has an extra large pulp bin, although there's no juice cup included, but that's not completely necessary. You can fit a whole apple, a whole peeled orange, or a handful of spinach. So there's going to be less pre-cutting and just more continuous juicing for your fresh fruit and veggie juice coming through. Now, the next best option, if you have a little more to spend, is the Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Plus 850 watts extractor, and it goes for $145. So what's great about this juicer? Well, it has an extra wide 3-inch feeder chute to put whole fruit and veggies in. It has a steel cutting disc that cuts fruit faster. It extracts 30% more juice and 40% more vitamins and minerals than other juices. So my number 1 recommended juicer, it's the one that I use, is the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Fountain Elite 1000 watt juice extractor. It goes for around $290. So what's so great about this juicer? Well, it's an 1000 watt juicer with 2 speed controls, a high control, which is 13,000 RPM, and a low control, which is 6,500 RPM. It has an ultra-sharp titanium reinforced cutting disc surrounded by Italian-made micro mesh filter to extract up to 30% more juice and 40% more vitamins. And it also has a 3-inch feed tube, which allows you to put whole fruits and bigger vegetables inside this juicer. So you can buy any of these juicers by clicking the link in the description box below. Well, there you have it, the best juicing recipe for healthy glowing skin. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it, please like and share the video with your friends and consider subscribing for more awesome tips to get glowing skin naturally every Wednesday and every Saturday. Thanks for watching, and if you want more awesome tips for your healthy skin, please visit us at dewyglowyskin.com.